Good morning everyone, my name is Doug Bird and I'm the MC here at the Old Mutal joBerg2c, the 2015 edition. We're on the start line here in Heidelberg, Karen Beef. It's 116 k's of riding today for the guys to get through to Frankfort. It's not a racing stage, so generally everyone takes it easy. It's kind of a nice warm-up into a tough 9 days of riding. The vibe this morning, everyone's always nervous on the start line for day one, but I think spirits generally are high. It's a bit chilly, but it's going to be a great ride. Generally everyone's here to have a good time and not take themselves too seriously, so we look forward to seeing them all in Frankfort.